Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia and my mom is trying to get her family to financial freedom. Happy Freebie Friday, my friends. We made it to our last Freebie Friday for the month of May. I'm very, 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 very glad about it. I was a little bit nervous about the way things were going. We only needed $11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I went ahead and separated the cash already. I got the ones I needed out of these envelopes off camera, which is okay. We're going to go ahead and figure out how much we have in total. And for those of you who are interested in knowing, we did complete our mini Mondays. We've also completed our micro Wednesday savings challenges. And throughout the month, we also saved a little bit extra in our 100 envelope binder, which is insane. So there's that. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we finished 3 savings challenges, but we have 3 savings challenges that we need to complete. We're not going to roll the dice or anything like that. We're just going to go ahead and mark off our savings challenges because we've completed them. We're going to add the cash. Because we are going to do an unstuffing and count up exactly how much we saved with each savings challenge. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am very impressed with all of the savings that has taken place. All right, and our last savings challenge is getting $4. Make sure 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, okay. I was going back and forth like, oh man, I hope I remembered correctly. And then I wrote it down somewhere in a post-it note. And then I couldn't find my post-it note. But we've got it together. And then, since we have these already out of the envelopes, we're going to go ahead and count up what we've got. This savings challenge I got from Lulu Innovative. All of these are freebies, and I will be sure to link them down below. I have been linking them all month because, you know, I want to give a shout out and a great thanks to the people who actually make the freebies, because I have freebies, but it is so nice to see all of the different styles and different approaches on savings challenges. This savings challenge is from S&C Budget Creations, which is my shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Blogs, but you can find it in my Ko-Fi. Oh, you know what I wanted to do? I wanted to just jot down how much I saved. So that was 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 16 bucks. All of my symbols were in fact $1. So I'm just going to set that there to dry. And this savings challenge we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. That's amazing. I've mentioned that this is a magic month for me. Some people refer to it to different things, golden month or extra paycheck month or something like that. And that's all it means, is that there's an extra paycheck somewhere in their mix. Some people are paid bi-weekly, that means there's 3 paychecks. And some people are paid weekly, which means there's 5 paychecks. In my case, it's 5 paychecks. So we were able to do a little bit more saving than I anticipated. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. This one is from Lady Luck Saves. 15. And I didn't grab my calculator. Plus, I like the idea of counting the cold, hard cash. All right, this savings challenge is from Hippies, Puppies, Kittens, Budgets. We're going to go ahead and count it up. We have 5, 6, 7. This savings challenge is from Batty Bankroll. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and the next savings challenge saved us $5, $6, $7, $8. This savings challenge I got from Restoration by Autumn. Silence is golden unless you have kids, then silence is suspicious. I love that, love it, love it. All right, let's see here. I mentioned before, all of these are freebies, so there's no fees. They are on Ko-Fi. Some people will have you an option where you can pay if you'd like to donate or if you would like to purchase, but they are freebies. They're not charging anything. Neither am I for my Mother's Day Savings Challenge. I have a lot of freebies on my shop, but I like the idea of freebies because it helps the savings journey, especially for people who don't have a lot of money for savings. So I think it's a great option. Also, I think it's a good way for people to promote their shops and their YouTube channels or whatever they have going on. All right, so we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. I have $74. I saved $74. So if you're interested in knowing how much I've saved for the total of for each savings challenge this month, feel free to check out my 2026 playlist. You can find all of them there. I will try to make sure all of my Freebie Friday Savings Challenge videos have the title Freebie Friday, but you know, it's hit or miss when it comes to me. I'm not what you would consider a real YouTuber. I do it for fun and it's a hobby for me, so I don't always get it right. So I just do it for fun and I get to enjoy it, and sometimes you know, like the YouTube paychecks and things like that come through. So this month I did get a YouTube paycheck, so thank you so much for those of you who do watch. This has been a crazy amount of fun. I'm so glad about it. Let me see, I have a couple bigger bills over here. I'm just going to see if I can switch them out. It would be nice to use these ones. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right, and let's see what we've got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's $4 there. 10, 20. Yay! Okay, let me just make sure it says $74. We have 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. It is $74. So I want to thank all of you for stopping back by. I had a lot of savings challenges going on for the month of May, and I had a lot of savings challenges going on for the month of May, which I'm very excited about. I'm very proud that I was able to complete these savings challenges this month. And next week will be the final cash stuffing for my Micro Wednesdays. And that's because with the Magic Month, I get paid on Friday and then I have the video on Wednesday the following week. So it will run into June, so you'll get to see how much I actually saved. It is already recorded, but you'll get to see how much I actually made. This is so exciting. Anyway, you all, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for the ladies who made the freebies. Thank you for watching my channel and supporting my channel. Thank you for cheering me on. I know sometimes it gets a little discouraging talking to a camera and then not hearing the cheers, but you all have been very kind and supportive in the comments. So thank you for that. Feel free to continue on following my journey. We'll see how June turns out. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.